Hello everyone, I Sudipti, the mental fitness and transformation coach, is in front of you with another topic. One thing where no one can beat you. Yes, what is that one thing where no one can beat you? So when I talk about myself, if I ask this question from me, I would say that one thing where no one can beat me is my willpower, my strength. One thing where no one can beat me is my magical smile and my belief in myself and universe, my belief in my intent. So these are the things, this is that one thing where no one can beat me. Why I am saying so? Because I have stood up in this life like a phoenix multiple times. And during my discovery process, during this self-discovery process, I have realized that this is something where no one can beat me. I am telling about the times that I was facing number of ups and downs in my life, and I was feeling completely devastated and shattered. I was finding no one around me, and at that moment I was worrying about what people will think about me, what will they assume about me, what picture they'll draw of me. And I was crying more and more, and I was feeling more devastated at that moment. But then suddenly a thought came to my mind that yes, maybe this is the right question where I should worry, but I think it is the right time I should look at life from different perspective. I went out into the balcony, and I saw something which made me feel that yes, it is the right question, that what people will think about me, where I should bother. What I saw in that balcony, I saw a board of Adidas, and then I could relate, and a question popped up in my mind, that what does Adidas stands for? Adidas stands for impossible is nothing. Nike, then I asked, what does Nike stands for? It stands for just do it. Then what does Apple stands for? Apple stands for think different. So every big shot who have started from zero, started from scratch and reached somewhere in their life, they have something, they stand for something. And yes, when I pondered upon a question that what should people think about me, I thought that I want that I should stand for strength of people. I stand for hope for people who are around me. I stand for love and respect for all the people who are around me. And I really thank Mr. Amar Chaudhary. While listening to him few days back, he was asking a question that what do you become in your life, and you should do something. You should not become a fear for people. You should not become that kind of a person. So he was talking in different perspective. But then I realized a question that what do people think about me? What do I stand for? And thank you so much. I felt really proud, Amar sir, that I stand for hope for people who are around me. I stand for strength for people who are around me. And I am really, really proud of it. And why I have this faith in myself, how I could find out this, because helping people and empowering people is one of the foundation of my life. I knew the foundation of my life. What is it where I cannot compromise at any cost? I found some or the other ways in order to pursue this foundation of my life. This is one of the value where I cannot compromise. And I had full belief in myself and in universe. Universal powers are with me. I was getting hints. I had belief in law of attraction and my willingness to empower people, because I believed that if anything and any circumstances or any person, if I am dependent on anyone, what if life takes that person away, that thing away whom I am attached to? Then I need to learn to be dependent on myself. And life is like that. If you have seen, life comes like that. Until you are alive, life remains like this, isn't it? Life remains like this only. Life goes like this once you are gone. right? So I felt that there is one shade which I have often heard from Amar sir only. ना हम सफ़र से ना किसी हम नशी से निकलेगा, ना हम सफ़र से ना किसी हम नशी से निकलेगा, ये मेरे पैर का काटा है मुझी से निकलेगा. So it is my life, and if something has come in my life, if some struggle, if some obstacle has come in my life, then I will have to find out ways how I need to stand, how I need to resolve this obstacle. Otherwise, people will come, people may go, they will give you sympathy, but rest is up to you. People may come and share their story, but taking the charge of your life, moving ahead, and deciding that what is that one thing where no one can beat you, deciding and identifying that is completely your choice. Because I had belief in myself, because I had belief in my intent, so I could find out that this is one of the pillar of my life, one of the foundation of my life, one of the important value of my life, and I had belief in universal powers that God always has the best plan. I had belief in my intent, and that's why I can say that this is one thing where no one can beat me. So once you identify that what is that one thing where no one can beat you, you get many benefits in your life. Do you want to know what benefits do we get when we come to know that one thing? Do you really want to know? Okay. So when you come to know that what is that one thing where no one can beat you, you become unstoppable. You become self-motivated because you know you have the sense of security in your life. You know that this is something which no one can take from you. This is within you, so no one can take from you. And since you have this, so you become special. And when you are special, then you feel enhanced confidence within you. You feel proud of yourself. You feel that you love yourself. You start loving yourself. You start respecting yourself. And the more you love and respect yourself, the more love and respect gets attracted towards you. You feel the sense of security that, okay, no one can beat me now because I have this strength. This is my USP. Yes, this is my USP, the unique selling proposition, because of which I am unique, and this is somewhere no one can beat me. So when you feel that, you get the never say die attitude. You get the better enhanced confidence, in self-esteem in you. And what happens to me as an added advantage, because I get so many benefits, so I am able to radiate love, respect and care to all the people who read about me, who watch me, who listen to me and who talk about me. I am radiating the love and respect to all of them, and because of all these benefits, what happens? Law of attraction works, and since this love and respect goes out, so it multiplies and comes back to me, and more love, respect comes into eyes and hearts of people who watch me, who read about me, who listen about me. And this is all happening because I believe in myself, my intent and universal powers. Now, do you want to find out what is that one thing where no one can beat you? Do you really want to find out? Okay, so let me tell you the steps how you can find out that what is that one thing where no one can beat you. Ready? Should I tell? Okay, so you have to first of all identify that what are the foundation of your life, on which, what are the values of your life where you are not willing to compromise at all, where you do not compromise at all. So what is that value of your life? What is the foundation pillar of your building, because of which you are standing tall despite all the ups and downs which you have faced till now? Right? So this is the first step. You have to identify that. Then second thing, just ask the question from yourself that what is that one work which doesn't feel like work to you, where you just forget that it is a kind of a work. What is that one work where you don't feel that it is a work for you? So this is the second question which you need to ask and identify within yourself, right? The third thing is that what would you like to do in your life if you have all the money and time with you? What would you like to do and have in your life when you have all the time and money with you? Third question. Now the fourth question, you have faced so many internal and external barriers in your life. Despite these challenges, ups and downs, there was one thing because of which you stood up again like a phoenix. Just identify that one driving force. Just identify what was that one reason because of which you could stand despite your internal barriers. If you are unable to speak English, if you are unable to understand and handle the situations which come to your life, if someone has passed from your family and you are feeling heartbroken, despite that you have stood up, then just identify what is that one thing because of which you have again decided to stand up. So that one thing, the answer to all these 4 questions will definitely give you one thing where no one can beat you. And just remember, let me tell you one share of Rahat Indori ji, which is, I can read it for you. So it says, सूरज चांद सितारे सब मेरे साथ में रहें, सूरज चांद सितारे सब मेरे साथ में रहें, जब तक तुम्हारे हाथ मेरे हाथ में रहें। सूरज चांद सितारे सब मेरे साथ में रहें, जब तक तुम्हारे हाथ मेरे हाथ में रहें। शाखों से टूट जाएं वो पत्ते हम नहीं, शाखों से टूट जाएं वो पत्ते हम नहीं, आंधियों से कह दो औकात में रहें। No one can beat me. No one. This is that one thing where no one can beat me. Because I become unstoppable, I become unbreakable when I know that I am unique and I have the power of my self-belief. I have the power of my right intent. I have the power of my magical smile, where I love to empower people who are watching me. So with this hope that whatever I have mentioned in this video or my other videos, I am adding value to so many lives. I'm really thankful to all those people who are sharing my videos. I'm also thankful to all those people who are actually giving me feedback, because this feedback is letting me know that you are aware and at least you are watching, you are listening. And I am thankful to all those people also who are approaching me to get some hope from me and find out the resolution and take charge of your life. Thank you so much to everyone. With this hope that I am adding some value to your life, I will just request, please do give the feedback so that I can come up with new things to add value. Thank you. Bye-bye.